Let's look at the Bing Maps cards that you can do in SharePoint. This is using a SharePoint dashboards.com template. And what this will do is allow you to take simple location information, as shown in my address column here, and display a nice large map card in my SharePoint list. So when you get to this template, you can look at some different theme options, and then you can adjust various settings. Now, before you use this template, if you've not already, you do need to sign up for a free Bing Maps account. Bing Maps, of course, this is hosted by Microsoft. It's a service they provide. You can just click on the link in the bottom of the notes section, which will take you to a page, and you'll quickly be on your way. And once you've done that, they will provide you an API key. That is needed, and you will put that into this Bing key field. I've already pasted in my key here. You can adjust the size of the map using this width and height selector to make it be whatever size you want. Then you can do things like tweak the background color, the label, and some other options. So you can play around with some various settings until you get that to look the way you want. And then additionally, there are 6 different map types that you can pick from. So be sure to sample those different settings until you find the one that matches what you're looking for. You do need to enter the name of your location field in here. I've already entered in mine. I have a simple text field called address. So you need to enter that field in the bottom of these settings, and then at that point you're ready to use this template. So I just click the copy template and then just follow the directions in the pop-up window, and now I can return to SharePoint. This is a view template, so I need to go to the view selector in the upper right, and I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and select Format, Current View, then Advanced Mode. And now I simply paste in my code from the clipboard, and there are my map tiles. So you can see these show on the page. I can decide how many show in a row, and I see all of that location data rendered for me. Now the location data is pretty flexible. It could be a zip code or a city and a state or anything like that, and it should be able to recognize that and render your map for you. Now if you at that point want to make adjustments, it's really easy to do that. I notice, for example, when I look at this, it's very zoomed in. Maybe I want that to be zoomed out a little bit to make a little bit more sense for my users. So in order to do that, I can just return back to the Format Current View and then go to my template screen, and there is a field for zoom. So let's try a different setting and see if we can have a little bit more zoomed out view. And I'll go ahead and change my map type as well when I do this. Let's do aerial with labels, and then I'm going to copy the template once again. Okay, so I just replace the template code there and save, and that's all there is to it. Then I get my updated maps. Now sometimes you may have a slow loading image. If you send a bunch of requests to the Microsoft Maps API all at one time, they can limit that with the free account, but you can just do a refresh and then you get your image. So these are nice large cards. In fact, I can make these as big as I want to. And then another nice feature is when I hover over the map, if I click on that, I can actually go to a full Bing Maps view that way as well. So I can get into that deeper functionality directly from SharePoint. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this interesting. I should also comment there additionally are Google Maps templates, and likewise they have a free API that you can sign up for. So this is just another option. You can use Google Maps or Bing Maps to display map information based on location data in your SharePoint list. This is a template available at SharePoint-dashboards.com. And if you have not yet used this tool, you can sign up for a free account, which does include 20 free templates. This template, including other mapping templates, is part of a subscription package, which includes more than 100 professional templates to make your SharePoint environment look great. I hope you found this useful, and good luck with your Bing Maps cards.